Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech and Cryptos. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to create a new thread in Perplexity AI. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not do it right now, it's quite easy. In case you don't know how to, worry not. We have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to create a new thread. For instance, I'm just gonna create a thread right now. Well, as you can see, a thread is being created. Now what I want to do is simply create a new thread. Well, it's quite easy. At the top left, you can see a button like this that says New Thread, or simply the shortcut Ctrl-I. Simply click on it and this thing will open up. From here, simply ask whatever you wish and click on Search. That way, a new thread will be started. Another way of starting a new thread is by simply going to Home and just typing it right here. And guys, that's it. That's how we create a new thread in Perplexity AI. It is quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.